So it's been over a year since I last posted a longer video like this one, and I think it's time to start posting again. I'm gonna try to post a bit more, still not a lot, but hopefully more than a year long break in between. So we're gonna be doing another keyboard build today. I went to Amazon and Banggood and ordered some parts, and yeah, let's go build this keyboard. So for the PCB kit, I was browsing on Banggood for a hot swap PCB kit similar to my GK61, and I found this, the Feker FK68T. It looked pretty good, and I looked at some reviews on YouTube, and I decided to buy it. In the box, you get these test switches from Feker, I guess. I don't know what they expect to use them for, but it's a nice touch. You get a USB for Bluetooth connection, a keycap puller, switch puller, a quick start guide, and of course you get the case, PCB, and plate put together, but I will be taking it apart on this build because I want to try tape modding it and putting some foam in the case. Also, I love the way this case looks. It just looks really clean and I really like it. Alright, so for the switches, I'm going with the Akko Rose Reds. Originally, I was going to go with Gateron Milky Yellows. I don't know if I made the right choice switching to the Akko Rose Reds, but I do think these sound really good. These are linear switches, and I think they have an actuation force of 43 grams, but correct me if I'm wrong. And I will be lubing these with Krytox 205 grade 0. The keyboard kit does include a piece of foam that goes in between the PCB and the plate to dampen the sound, which is really nice. And after taking apart the board, I started removing the stabilizers off the plate to lube them with Krytox 205 grade 0. So before putting the board back together, I put some thin foam into the case, and I also put one layer of masking tape on the PCB. I don't know if these mods made a difference in the sound, but I would rather do it now than having to take apart the whole board again later. Now for the keycaps, I might get flamed for this, but I went with GMK Olivia clones. I really like the original GMK ones and the colors, but the original ones are really expensive and they are not even available. So I saw these clones on Amazon and the reviews were pretty good, so I decided to buy it. It's a full set with some extra keys like a 7U spacebar, and it has keys that support my keyboard, which is a 65% form factor, and I got this set for about 60 bucks. Alright, the keyboard is all done, and I think it looks super nice. I love these keycaps a lot. I just love the way they look. I love the colors. They're not the original GMKs. I can't really buy original GMKs because they're so expensive, but these work fine, and I don't know how good they are compared to the original ones, but after using them for a couple days, they seem fine. The text on some of the black keys look a bit weird, like the letters aren't printed evenly, but it doesn't bother me that much, and I still think it looks really good. Now the switches, the Akko Rose Reds, they feel really good and they sound really good too. Even before lubing them, they sound really good. You can look at some typing tests on YouTube that show before lubing and after lubing, and the before lubing sounds really good. Just after lubing, it just makes it sound that much better. The keyboard itself, the case, PCB plate, they're also really good. I love that the PCB is Bluetooth. There's a little switch on the back and you can turn on Bluetooth. I use Bluetooth with it. It just looks a lot cleaner, and I want to get a Bluetooth mouse as well soon so I can have wireless peripherals. I just think it'll look a lot cleaner for my setup. You can use it with cable as well. There's a USB-C port in the back. And yeah, and now for the part you guys have all been waiting for, the typing test. So let's go. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I look forward to actually doing more keyboard build videos in the future. Eventually, I do want to try live streaming on Twitch, doing a keyboard build. So I'll link my Twitch in the description, and you guys can go follow it if you want. If not, that's okay. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.